Hey, did you know? In every 30 seconds, a diabetic patient loses his limb. Not because of diabetes, because of improper wound healing.
Oh, is it? And also, as we try to heal the patients, our wound dressings continue to harm the environment as they are non biodegradable, plastic based, and medically limited.
Is there any solution for this?
Yes, why not? What if a smart wound dressing could be made which could think for itself? It could heal the wound and at the same time release the medicaments and also be biodegradable at the same time. That's the vision behind Dermaflex. Smart biofilms, which are biodegradable, has antibacterial properties, and is starch based.
So guys, here at the team Green Medics, we propose our product Dermaflex as a solution to the above mentioned problem. I'm going to discuss this product in two sections, the problem statement and a solution. So, coming to the problem statement, the currently existing traditional or conventional wound dressings, what is the issue with them? You might have all gotten, certain wounds, kabhi burn wounds or just cut wounds. We often apply wire gauze or bandages over it. First issue being they're made out of plastic polymers or other synthetic polymers, not good for the environment. And some certain studies also mention that these might lead to microplastic accumulation in your skin. Second, so not good for the environment. Second, also these traditional dressings do not often incorporate the drug that might accelerate or increase the efficiency of our wound healing. We often require a topical application and also which makes the dressing changing a tedious process. Hence, we propose our solution, creating a smart wound dressing, which has three major qualities. First, it is biodegradable, good for the environment, not toxic and eco-friendly, hence aligning with our SDG goals or the Sustainable Developmental Goals. Second, it also provides high biocompatibility and bioactivity. When we incorporate certain drugs specific to a particular kind of wound, it can be changed into multi-directions or multiple products that can be specific for a particular target audience, such as diabetic foot ulcers or diabetic wounds that we just talked about recently. They require a very specific drug infusement, which might accelerate the healing process, right? Coming thirdly, the few drugs that we propose to move ahead with this is such as anthocyanin, a herbal extract from purple cabbages, or curcumin, a herbal extract from turmeric, which are known to support, give moisture retention or based on pH changes, leads to better healing processes. Lastly, we provide an antibacterial component to these films, which promote or which do not allow the growth of bacterial layers or biofilms on them, preventing infection. One very big major advantage is that the conventional dressings don't provide. So, as you might have already understood from the solution that we are making the dressing really smart, but now we're going to talk more about how we plan to commercialize this product and turn it into a new age, new generation bandages or dressing.
Alright, the product idea sounds very amazing, but how do we convert this idea into a real world business application? So first we'll talk about the ingredients, alright? So the ingredient consists of starch, which is basically of analytical grade, which costs around 400 rupees per kilo. Then we have to include reduced graphene oxide, which costs around 18,000 per kilo. Then we'll include curcumin and anthocyanin, which is of 95% purity and 25% purity respectively, which costs around 4,500 per kilo and 7,000 per kilo. Last but not the least, we'll also include glycerol, which is basically of pharma grade, and it costs around 200 rupees per liter. Okay, so we talked about the raw materials, but we have to also include overheads like film casting, drying and sterilization, and packaging and quality control and rejection costs, and also the costs which include labor and electricity. So for this Dermaflex, we have around three variants. First, which is the normal Dermaflex, which has a size of around 10 by 10 centimeter. Then we have Dermaflex XL, which has the size of around 15 by 15. And we have this biggest one, which is the Dermaflex Double XL, which has the size of 20 by 20. So if we include the raw materials and total overhead costs, the Dermaflex will require around 8.9 rupees to produce one SKU. The Dermaflex XL will take around 16.14 rupees to produce one unit, and the Dermaflex Double XL will take around 26.08 rupees.
We cannot stop wound from happening, but we can choose how we heal.
True care does not end at the skin, it extends to the planet.
Hence, it's time to make healthcare sustainable.
So, are you ready to join us to lead this change and promise to heal responsibly? So, once again, we are the team Green Medics proposing our product, the Dermaflex.